Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Shamna the Overflow with another subject with an enthusiastic and interesting subject. I am here in front of the camera with you all. Let's start about the new subject. Today topic is I am going to explain about the topic that wind energy converter. We know about the wind energy converter from which we are getting the electricity. When the wind blow up, wind hit on its leaf, it rotate and it give some of the electrical energy. So the wind energy converters are the machine which convert wind into electricity. So how it is operating? Whenever the wind direction getting changed, means wind in one moment the wind direction is getting from one direction, another moment it is changing and it is changing to the another direction. Then how the leaf should face to the direction where the wind is blowing. So how it is getting means how the leaves direction is changing according to the wind direction. We are discussing about this subject. Let's start the process of changing the nasal direction. Nasal means the head, turbine head or the leaf direction to the wind direction is called yawing. So how the yawing is taking place? The yawing, many of the turbines, most of the all turbines, the yawing takes place because of four electrical motors. Basically these electrical motors of induction motors. So when the wind direction changes, there is a wind vane, means there is a sensor, its name is wind vane, which measures the wind direction. Continuously it measures the wind direction. This sends the wind direction continuously and it gives the signal to the turbine controller. The controller sends if the direction is changed, accordingly it give a control, it give a signal to the motor. Means how the motor signal is giving, there are contactors are there. So it drive the contactors of the motor and the contactor pick up where it has to move, clockwise or anti-clockwise according to the wind direction is detect. The controller detects and gives signal to the contactors by the means of multiple relays are there. So the contactor pick up, the motor drives, then the motor, means the yaw motors, four motors are there, it rotates either clockwise or anti-clockwise direction, and accordingly the nasal means the head of the turbine will rotates clockwise or anti-clockwise until it reaches to the direction of the wind. It will rotate and eventually the wind turbines faces the direction of the wind. So this is how the yawing is happening. It's continuously happen. There are many factors which affect this yawing process. Means the controller will continuously detect which direction it to move. According to the, there are cables are there which is coming from the nasal. The cable coming from the nasal means from the generator of the turbine. The cable is coming to downward. This cable may twist whenever this yawing happen, means the rotation of the nasal happens, the cable may twist. So this twisting also considered by the controller for the process of the yawing. According to the twist, the yawing, the controller limits the yawing also. So when the over twist happen, there are one limit switch is there. This limit switch activate, the controller will stop the process, the operation of the turbine, and it untwist the cable. These all factors will consider the turbines. So I hope you understand how this yawing is happen. Yawing is nothing but the process of rotating, means changing the direction of the wind turbine head, that is called nasal, according to the wind direction changes. So hope you understand. With another topic, we'll meet in the next video. Until then, bye bye.